YouTube? Welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we are going to be doing a UNICE wig unboxing and review. So before we get into the video, I'm going to need y'all to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. So anyways, let's get to it. So I received a wig from UNICE. Special thanks to them for sponsoring this video. Let's open. So this wig is actually a headband wig that I received from them. It comes with a headband, of course. So when I open this box, the first thing I see is a headband. It's really cute. And a wig cap. So the first thing we're gonna do is put this wig cap on because I feel more comfortable having a wig cap on before putting on the wig. So that way my hair won't get in the way. Now for the star of the show. So the wig comes in a bag like this, and it looks like it's another headband in here, y'all. So let's see. So this is what the wig looks like. It's 24 inches, ombre color. I freaking love this color. I love ombre. Perfect for summer, right? And then this is another headband. I really love this headband. This one is my favorite. The other one was cute, but I love this one. Okay, so let's take the net off of the hair and the stuffing out. And this is the star of the show. So this is a body wave ombre headband wig. It is 150 density and you just wear it and you go. I normally don't go this long with wigs because I'm super short, but it's cute, okay? It is cute and I am all for it. So let me show you the band. So this is the band, the elastic band, and then when you wrap it around your head, you can use these Velcro at the end to make sure you secure it. So this is the Velcro. And you can just snap the wig like this. And then the inside has a comb. So you have this comb, these two combs, and this comb at the bottom. So let's try the wig on so that way y'all can get a feel for how it looks on me. Y'all, I'm impressed at the fact that this hair does not have a smell and how soft it actually is. Like, it's very soft. Look at that. That is one beautiful, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful wig, y'all. Beautiful. So let me just give you an idea of how it will look on, because I don't normally wear my wig straight off the pack. So I just want to show y'all so that way y'all can get a feel for how it looks. So right now I just use the elastic band to snap it on. For now, if I was like just putting on the wig to like wear out, I would definitely use the combs, and I'm going to show you how I would style the wig in a second. But right now I want y'all to get a feel for how it looks. So this is how it looks on. I really like this color on me. And then let me show you how long it is. So this wig comes about here on me. And then this is how it looks in the back. So it comes all the way down my back. And I am 5 foot. So that should give you an idea of how long this wig actually is. I love how much body this wig has and how shiny it is. Like, it definitely has a shine to it. But what we are gonna do, folks, is wash this wig. Because you should always wash your wigs before you wear them. I don't care, I don't care, okay? I don't care. Okay guys, so we are back from washing this hair. I let it air dry a bit, but it was still kind of damp. So what I did to speed up the process was I got a blow dryer, put it on low or cool setting, and I just blow dried it and brushed it out, and this is what it looks like. Letting it air dry definitely is the best option, but if you're pressed for time, just put it on low setting and you'll come out with this result. It's still shiny as ever. And now it is time to put on the wig and style it. So this time I'm going to be using the combs that come with the wig, as well as the adjustable straps. These are the adjustable straps here, and you just place these in the little slots that you can see at the bottom to adjust it to your head size. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna also use the hair combs to secure the wig for when I put it on. So my head not that big, so I don't need it that much. Okay, so I like to push this back some. Okay, so the wig is now on and secured. As you can see, I'm pulling it and it will not come off. Like, it will not come off. It's not going anywhere, okay? It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to one curl this wig to get the waviness back, because it was originally a body wave wig. So, but this wig will look good straight too, but I want to one curl it. So before I wand curl it, I'm going to put some heat protectant on this wig. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna put a drop like that and rub my hands together and just apply it throughout the wig, the ends, all that. This wig is freaking beautiful. Like, even without me wand curling it, it's still really nice. Okay, so stay tuned and watch me style this wig. Okay, so we are done wand curling our hair. So what I like to do is I like to kind of comb out the curls to give it body. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it like so. And as you can see, it's definitely giving body. And this is the length of my hair once it is curled. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of brush the top back, and we're gonna put on our headband. So remember that flower headband I showed you earlier? I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on because it's pretty. And this is what the do looks like, y'all. So yeah, when it comes to wigs, especially human hair wigs, it's important that you maintain and you take care of the hair. You definitely want to wash it, at least co-wash it and keep it conditioned more than anything. But like things as far as product buildup, or if you like put oil on the hair or anything like that, you want to make sure you wash that out. And the best way to wash the hair is to either refer to the washing segment of this video, or you can just take some lukewarm water, put some shampoo in it, and dip the hair in and out, and then let the hair sit in conditioner for like 10 minutes or more. So that's the best way to wash the hair. Also, when it comes to putting heat on this hair, I don't really recommend you put too much heat on it. If you are gonna put heat on this hair, it's best that you use a heat protectant. My favorite heat protectant to use is this olive oil heat protectant serum. I use it on my natural hair as well as my wigs, and it works wonders. That's why I get my wigs to last so long. Also, if you don't really want to put heat on this hair, but you still want the body wave look, or if you decide to straighten it one day and then the next day you may want your body wave back, you can always use flexi rods. Just comb the hair, put some flexi rods in overnight, sleep, and then wake up in the morning and then take them out, and then you'll have that perfect wave just like this. So yeah, and I'll be showing you more of that. So stay tuned for my get ready with me for when like I wear my wigs and stuff, and I'll be sure to give you more tips. But yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this video as well as the wig. This wig will be linked below in the description box, as well as the hair do's and don'ts in the website. I will also link a wand curler down below, because this particular wand curler that I used is no longer on Amazon. So I'm gonna link like one similar to the one I have, so that way you can use it. As well as the shampoo and conditioner used in this video. It's good to always use a mild shampoo when washing this hair, and then a really good conditioner, and just let it sit. Like, you definitely want this hair to stay very healthy and moisturized, and you don't want it to really dry out or anything. But I love this wig. I love the length. I love how shiny it is, how much body it has. As always, if you like this video, remember to give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace.